Hello. I hope that everyone in Carmel is doing well as we continue to work our way through the COVID-19 crisis. I am confident that we are making progress and that we'll see light at the end of the tunnel soon. Carmel has come up with a couple fun initiatives. One is called Carmel Cares. And while we've all been told we have to physically distance, and that is so important to stopping the spread of this virus, we don't want to socially distance, we want to physically distance. We want to have social connections even though we have to do it virtually. And so that's what Carmel Cares is about. You can go to Facebook, Carmel Cares, and see all these different activities, ways to connect with your friends and neighbors. We have Actors Theater of Indiana here in Carmel has actually been having Friday night virtual concerts. The Carmel Symphony's about to have a virtual concert. There's all sorts of things for people to stay connected, which is important for our mental health. Just go to Carmel Cares on Facebook. We also came up with another initiative that's meant to help our small business community as well as our heroes in the front lines at our hospitals. It's called Feed the Front Lines. The city made a seed donation. The Rotary Club of Carmel is helping us with this initiative. But here's how it works. We're asking people to donate money to the fund. We'll take that money, we'll buy restaurant food, takeout food at our small, locally owned restaurants, and it will be delivered to the frontline workers that are working so many hours at our hospitals and healthcare facilities. The Centers for Disease Control has recommended that we cover our mouths and maybe even our eyes with goggles when we're out in public to keep others from being infected if we might be asymptomatically carrying the virus and might sneeze on somebody else and we're too close to that person. And so on our website, under the COVID-19 page, the section marked for residents, there are instructions how to make a homemade mask. But I want to caution everyone that there's a lot of health officials that are very hesitant about telling people to use self-made masks because they always don't work. We still need to physically distance. They probably don't do any harm. They might help in some cases, but we still need to wash our hands and physically distance. That's what the doctors are telling me. So we can make those masks, and it's something to do that may help, but we still have to physically distance. They tell me we need to stress that over and over again. Be resolute, be strong. We'll get to an end of this soon. We'll get back to normal. But remember, do what we're supposed to do. Be part of the solution.